When we booked our trip to Niagara, we saw the Niagara Falls boat rides and wondered, is it worth it? Our adventure starts with the iconic walk beside the falls. You can feel the energy of the water long before you see it, and the fun is already in full swing with these zipliners. Roughly 3,160 tons of water flow over Niagara Falls every second. The water drops about 57 meters or 187 feet. 3 waterfalls make up the Niagara Falls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. Before boarding the boat, we explored the journey behind the falls. These tunnels take you deep inside the rock behind the Horseshoe Falls, giving you a whole new perspective on the sheer power and sound of the rushing water. From here, you're just a few steps away from the thunderous roar and the mist of the rushing water. It's a rare chance to experience the raw power of Niagara from behind the curtain, with the ground trembling beneath your feet and the sound echoing throughout. But the question of how the falls would be from the boat still needed answering. Embarking on the boat was a breeze. The lineups were long, but they moved steadily. Lucky for us, we were able to get to the front of the boat for the best view. The journey started with a look at the American Falls, which is the second largest of the 3 waterfalls. And as the name suggests, the American Falls is entirely within the United States. As the boat edges closer to the Horseshoe Falls, the mist turns into a downpour, and suddenly you're face to face with the thunderous curtain of water. It's loud, it's wet, and it's absolutely unforgettable. So is the Niagara Falls boat tour worth it? Without a doubt, 100% absolutely. The Niagara Falls boat tour is absolutely worth it for the once-in-a-lifetime perspective it gives you. No photo or viewing platform compares to the moment the boat edges into the mist. The roar of the falls surrounds you, and the sheer force of the water is felt in every drop that soaks your poncho. It's thrilling, unforgettable, and one of the closest things you'll ever get to true power and beauty of Niagara Falls.